Right, this next division method that we're going to have a go at is slightly trickier because you can see that the number has got bigger. We're now dividing by a 2-digit number. I've chosen 25 because it's a really good, easy number to show you this method. But if you get really confident with this method, you can then change that number and try out different things. Now, before we even start this, it's a really good idea, and I've had to do it on 2 whiteboards, but you'll have space on your paper, to write out the 25 times table. And it just helps you. It's a one bit that you don't have to keep in your head, but you can keep referring to it if you need it. So what we do, it works exactly the same to start with by looking as the short division method did. So we're going to look at this and we're going to go 25. It doesn't go into 5. So we can just put a 0 there. And then we can look at 56. So how many times does 25 go into 56? 2 times 25 is 50. So I can put a 2 there. Now, because it's a 2-digit number, the numbers we're working with are much bigger. So what we do is we put the numbers under here to help us remember them and help us to work it out. So we put our 50 underneath there. And then we can take it away and we can see that we're left with 6. When we were working with the smaller numbers, we could just put it over into the next column. But these are going to be bigger numbers, so we need to record them down here. Now we know that 25 doesn't go into 6, that's an extra that we need to put into the next column. So what we do is we play a bit of Connect 4 and we drop down the 7 to join the 6. So actually what we're looking now is 67. And how many times does 25 go into 67? Again, I know that 25 times 2 is 50. So I can put my 2 up there and I can take away my 50 from here. This time I'm left with 17. Now again, we know they're the extra bits, so 25 doesn't go in to 17. And we can also see that these would be really tricky to squeeze up next to our 5 up here. It would be really hard and get a bit messy and hard to read. But now we're down here, we can just play Connect 4 again, drop the number down and we can put the 5 there. Now this is a bit bigger than 50, so I can check my times tables here and I can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 25 fits into 175 8 times, and on this one there are no remainders.